Hello and welcome back to Fresh BCSE Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create transcripts for videos that maybe you aren't the owner of or are not housed on YouTube so that you still have the opportunity to use a transcript and support your students. So as I mentioned in an earlier video, all YouTube videos have automatic closed captions created for them and automatically have transcripts made for them as well. Chances are at some point in teaching, learning, and your experience, you might come across a video that's not housed on YouTube and therefore doesn't have the automatic closed captions or automatic easy to access transcripts available. So in order to create your own transcripts to give to your students or to use for your own personal preference, you can leverage the speech recognition software and a lot of word processing tools and other productivity tools to make your own transcript. It's kind of like a little hack or a way to use some accessibility tools to create more accessible resources. So the example here that I'm going to show you, I'm going to pull up a Google Doc like what I have on my screen right now. And the way that we're going to create a transcript is by using voice typing on Google Docs. So voice typing on Google Docs uses the microphone on your device. And what it does is it types out the document using the microphone and you giving commands. So this is actually a tool that was put in place to support someone who maybe struggles with keyboarding or has a disability, but we're going to use this to make a transcript. And the best way that I found in making a transcript from another video is to actually pull up your video on another device. If you play it on the computer and try to have the microphone pick it up from there, I have noticed it tends to struggle. So I have it pulled up on my cell phone, but you could also play it on an iPad, another device if you wanted to. Just make sure that you're using the voice typing feature. So if I pull up a Google Doc right here, I'm going to go to Tools. And under Tools, there is the button to do voice typing. The keyboard shortcut to open this is also Control, Shift, and S if you're using a Windows or Chrome OS system like a Chromebook. And once I have that pulled up, on my other device, what I'm going to do is find the video that I want to play. Okay? And whenever I turn on voice typing, I have a little microphone that pops up here in the corner. And as soon as I click that, it is listening to me and waiting for me to start saying things for it to start to type. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to start playing my video, and we're going to watch what happens. Hello, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a brief tutorial on how you can access transcripts on YouTube. Make copies of them and edit them so they're more accurate so you can give them to your students. They can use that as a study guide, a note-taking sheet, or just as an accessible resource when watching videos in your class. All right, so as we can see here, it picked up on the audio from my phone of that video playing there pretty accurately. So that could be an option for you to essentially make transcripts for your students on video hosting platforms that don't do that for you automatically. Now, again, because this is computer technology, it is not 100% perfect, and it is definitely not 100% accurate. So that's why it's helpful that we have this in a Google Doc so we can go through, we can add punctuation because that's not automatically added, and we can fix some of these words that might have been misheard or misrepresented by the voice recognition technology. And whenever you're finished with this and editing this and making it perfect for your students, you can share it, you can print it, and give it to them as a resource. I hope this video is helpful and that I'll see you again on Fresh BCSE Tech.